What are the three biggest mistakes sellers are making today? If you're thinking about selling your house, here's the deal. Lots of sellers are making the same big mistakes, and they're costing them time and a lot of money. If you're about to do the same, stick around and I'll try to help you avoid these screw-ups, okay? How you doing? Thanks for checking out our little Florida Suncoast channel. Hope you're having a great day. If you're thinking about selling, I've got something for you down below. It's a free home seller guide to get you started. It's packed with great info so you know what to expect in the market today. And there's a lot of steps. Just hit the link below. It's free and it really is a great first step. Trust me, there are a lot of steps if you want to be a successful seller. All right, let's talk about the three biggest mistakes sellers are making in today's market, yes, even in Florida, and how you can avoid them. Mistake number one, you already know it, pricing the house way too high. Pricing is the number one struggle for all sellers, especially today. Many homeowners overestimate their value thinking, hey, we'll have room to negotiate. But here's the problem. Buyers are way more cautious right now. If your price scares them away, there's nothing to negotiate. They won't even step inside. And when a home sits on the market too long, price cuts become inevitable. Big price cuts. Avoid the headache. Let your agent map out a pricing strategy from day one. Second mistake, skipping repairs. You might not notice that leaky faucet, no big deal, or the squeaky door, but buyers, they sure do. Small maintenance issues can be big red flags, making buyers wonder if bigger problems are hiding beneath the surface. According to Investopedia, quote, sellers who do not clean and stage their homes throw money down the drain, unquote. It's a pretty easy fix. Handle those small repairs. Let's look over the property, handle them before listing. A little effort now can mean a better offer and a lot of money later. Mistake number three, refusing to negotiate. These buyers are feeling the pinch today. Higher home prices and really high mortgage rates, which means they really want to negotiate. Maybe they ask for repairs or closing cost help or other concessions. Don't take it personally. The key is staying focused on your goal, selling your house for the best price. U.S. News Real Estate says, quote, a successful deal happens only when the buyer also feels like they benefit. Those small compromises can seal the deal without hurting your bottom line. And the biggest mistake of all, trying to sell without an agent. The right agent helps you price correctly, prep the house, negotiate the best deal, and get you closed so you don't leave money on the table. Remember, selling a home is a journey, and every journey starts with the right mindset. Stay flexible, stay positive, trust the process, and focus on the big picture, your next adventure. Hey, please remember to avoid these three goofy mistakes and make your home sale a success. We can connect anytime if you have any questions, or I can help you in any way. Oh, and if you're curious about your home's value, this is fast and free and easy. A home value estimate at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. If you do need to sell, we give you two great options with our guaranteed cash offer and our discount listing service. You can close in as little as 21 days with our guaranteed cash offer. Visit easycashclosing.com to get a solid cash offer. By the way, we use the same iBuyer the big national companies use, and there's no hassle and no obligation. Thanks again for liking, sharing, and subscribing. For more Florida Suncoast real estate updates, see you next time on the beach. Peace.